What do you think of when you hear custom built in the U.S.A? Superior quality? Skilled craftsmanship? Built to last? At Renewal by Andersen, our windows are custom built in the U.S.A. That's something each and every one of us is proud of. We're proud of what we do, and we're proud of where we do it. So what does that mean for you? As the replacement window division of Andersen, Renewal by Andersen is heir to a storied legacy of putting customers first. And through the passion of our people and the support of our communities, we're continuing to build on that legacy. From the research labs to the production lines, we care about finding new, innovative solutions and delivering a superior home improvement experience. We're especially proud of the role we play within the communities we all share. Over the past 4 years, we've added over 754 new jobs, and our commitment to precision manufacturing has created a more efficient work environment for every one of our dedicated team members. It's in taking care of each other that we become our strongest, that we lift each other to new heights, and that we're able to bring beautiful windows, custom built in the U.S.A, right to your home. It's an honor and a responsibility we take seriously because we truly believe it's what you deserve. At the end of each day, we're most proud when we're able to say,
Our windows!
This window! Your window!
All these windows!
Are custom built
Right here! Control, Minnesota!
in these
United States of America!
Renewal by Andersen, the better way to a better window.